Hello everyone. The subject is innovation and design thinking workshop, innovative ideas. So my name is KRITHIKA and branch is first year IS. Okay, startup company proposed name is Finac and product name is Fan. Product name proposed is Fandom Fusion. So empathize, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one is a mini fan and second one is a folding fan. Next, based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of the customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name is Fan and futuristic product name is Fan and Fusion. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Like all definition, while traveling, we should be able to carry the fan, holding fan. And fourth one is controlling by remote, as same as how alternate current acts. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mirror advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your option to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.